Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Uswatun Hasanah, you can call me Uswah. I am from 2nd grade of English Education Department of Unma Banten. Nowadays, masker is really important. To avoid the spread of coronavirus, we should wear masker wherever we are. But the price of masker is really expensive. And then I think we can make masker from home. So here I'm going to tell you how to make simple masker without sewing machine. How to make it? Here we go. Before we make it, we should have some materials. The materials are 2 rubber bands, and then a piece of fabric, and then in addition we used a pin. And now we will make the masker. So for the first, we should prepare the fabric first. After that, we fold the fabric become like this. And after that, insert the rubber bands in the right and in the left. Please give some space. Come like this. So after that, we will fold the fabric again. Like this. So after that, we will insert the fabric in the right into the left. Okay, for making the masker strong, we will add the pin inside the fabric. Okay. Okay, finally, the masker is ready to wear. That's all from me. I do apologize if I have made mistakes, and thanks for your watching. So the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.